If you ever need to use an older website, internal business portal, or legacy web app, Microsoft Edge has a built-in Internet Explorer mode that can help. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable or disable Internet Explorer mode from Microsoft Edge in just a few clicks. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you need compatibility with older sites or if you want to turn the feature off for security or preference reasons. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu to open the main browser menu. From there, select Settings. This is where you can manage all of Edge's main features, privacy controls, and compatibility options. In the Settings menu, look on the left side and click Default Browser. If you don't see it right away, just scroll through the settings list until you find it. This section is where Microsoft Edge keeps the options related to Internet Explorer compatibility. Now look for the setting called Allow Sites to be Reloaded in Internet Explorer mode. This is the key option you need to change. If you want to enable Internet Explorer mode, click the drop-down menu and set it to Allow. Once you select Allow, Edge will be able to open supported websites in IE mode when needed. If you want to disable Internet Explorer mode, simply change that same setting back to Don't Allow or the equivalent disabled option available in your version of Edge. After making the change, there's usually no complicated setup required. In many cases, the setting takes effect right away. If you want to test it, open a website that requires older browser support and then use the Edge menu or site settings to reload the page in Internet Explorer mode. If the site loads properly, the feature is working. If you turned it off, the site should no longer offer that compatibility option. A quick tip here, only use Internet Explorer mode when you actually need it. It can be useful for older enterprise sites, but for normal browsing, Microsoft Edge is usually the better and more secure choice. So if you're done with a legacy site, it's a good idea to disable the feature again. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable Internet Explorer mode from Microsoft Edge. It only takes a moment, but it can save you a lot of trouble when dealing with older web pages. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.